immaculate and delightful. This address is an ideal family home, and transport, shops and schools are all close by. The home has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and it has space for up to 2 vehicles. The design of the kitchen workspace is excellent. This home also features generous-sized bedrooms, and it also has ducted air conditioning. It has a large games or activity room, as well as an undercover patio area. Add to that a workshop with ample storage. Looking for a flexible, family-friendly home? Perfect for a growing family. Email the agent now to learn more.